Hi my honeys, I'm back with another video for you today entitled To Brighter Light. What do I mean by that? This is the exploration of a healing journey, of progressing to greater enlightenment. Why do we progress in stages on a healing journey? Why can we not just simply jump from where we are to our ultimate desired state? When I am processing with a connection, I can tell what the heart of their issue and the causation of their problems is right away, usually. However, if I were to come right out with it, straight out of the gate, that would in no way be a favor or of any assistance to them, more often than not. The reason being that resistance is an ingrained force that has to be addressed first, usually gently. I offer that the highest light, the ultimate truth, is blinding when it's shone into our eyes directly, metaphorically speaking. The wisest guides do not just give you their light, show you the whole truth, and attempt to frequency bounce you in one great big swoop. The wisest guide will gently point you to where your light is, so that you can comfortably journey towards it, step by step. Your metaphorical eyes adjust to the light as you are traveling closer to it. And then you are able to truly see. What this means is that your awareness gradually opens to a higher frequency stream of consciousness. And you level up your vibrations in a manner that allows for integration. Our minds will always acquiesce to the truth when we're shown it, because the universe is mind, and our innate intelligence will therefore always recognize the truth that is in the light. However, mind on its own is insufficient if we are blinded by the light. We are unable to hold the truth vibration if we haven't simultaneously released the resistance that is often held somatically from suppressed emotions and traumas, and addressed our subconscious programming and superego injunctions. And what we cannot hold, we do not fully integrate. Coping and defense mechanisms will kick right in and will result in knowing what the truth is and being able to perceive the light without the commiserate being of that frequency, and therefore externally fleshing out into manifestation that light and that truth. This is a lot to comprehend profoundly, but understand that the heart of this potential dilemma is a gentle and a gradual acceptance and embracing of change, bit by bit. It's the loving approach, the approach that's in line with the nature of life, and it lends itself to the lasting activation of personal power, without a dependency on any external source of light, wisdom, guidance, or support being required for very long. Too much too soon is the dynamic that leads to guru reliance, cult obedience even, and the personal growth and self-help addiction, without any permanent or powerful effects. So I offer you the gradual, gentle, step-by-step journey as the more powerful and truly life-changing approach. With much love as always.